Isifundazwe iFree State silokhu siziqoqoda emakhanda zonke izifundazwe ngesibalo esiphezulu sokuphumelela Tikuletsheni iminyaka emithathu ilandelana. Kusukela ngo-2012 iFree State isalokhu ihlezi ku-80 wamaphesenti okuphumelela kwabafundi. Umfundi edlule bonke ngokuphumelela kulesifundazwe uthole ama-distinctions eyishisiyagalolunye kuzo zonke izifundo zakhe.
Great being the top learner, it's a lot of hard work that has now paid off. And I think what I did was just to make sure that I work every day to learn the work that we do that day.
Abaphumelele ngamalengiso benze kahle kakhulu ezifundweni izibalo nephysics.
What I did to be part of top 100 is that every time when I came from school, I always did my homeworks. Then at 6, I usually went to bed and sleep. Then from there, I usually woke up at 12. Then from 12 up until 6.
There's this center in my zone, they call it the Kutano Center, or the Pro-Met in other words. So that center, I attended it, yeah, they helped me like with maths and physics. Thereby, I could balance my other subjects, you know.
Owengamele ezemfundo uthi uyaziqhatsha ngesifundazwe sakhe njengoba izifunda ezine zibalo kweziyishumi eziphume phambili.
Free State is a resilient province. Free State is a province that can work hard. Free State has got good teachers and good principals. And all I had to do was just to motivate them so they can achieve what they're capable of achieving.
Abafundi abaphumele kahle umatric eFree State baqonyeliswe ngezindondo nemifundazwe. Ababemaga amaphepha kaMatikuletsheni abayi-112 baqonyeliswe ngezitifiketi zokubabonga. Laba bavikela amaphepha ngesikhathi isikhungo ekwakumakelwa kuso sihlaselwa isiphepho eThabanchu.